Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderful day. Energy is always fluid. I keep speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. Did I say good morning, good evening, good afternoon? I possibly did. All right, so we are on the next element, y'all. We are on the next element. Let me see if I can get this TV to act right. Yeah, no. All right, so yeah, we're on the next element. Let's go ahead and get into that. Let's not waste any more time. Gratitude for showing you girls some love. We almost at 3K followers. Y'all, I came into this with I was gonna say $1 and a dream. Y'all, all I came in was with a dream. Okay, started from the bottom and worked my way up. And I'm grateful for y'all taking me exactly for who I am. Without further ado, what are we doing? Air. My hand ashy? Oh Lord. Wait a minute now. My hands are ashy. So air sign is next. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, rising of Venus. Place it whatever way it need to be placed, but we do have the air signs in the building. Let me go ahead and get my hands together. Put your hands together. Oh man, something significant with your hands. I feel like whoever you are, you may wash your hands a lot or something like that. Maybe you might do do work with your hands or something like that. Labor work or something like that. Carpenter work. You don't necessarily have to, but it's definitely something with you guys' hands that is definitely significant. Um, Let me see. What's happening? What's happening? Clarify this air sign. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Yeah, I had to put it up again, y'all. My hands was ashy. I had to hurry and put it down. I was like, oh Lord. What y'all got going on with this air sign? What's happening? Air signs. We have drama. There's some drama around the air signs. That's what I'm saying here. There's some drama going on. I don't know if it's your drama or people bringing you their drama, but I'm definitely seeing that there's an energy of drama around the air signs, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and your sun, moon, rising, or Venus. Make sure you take a look at the elements as well. Take a look at your big three. Get more information as to what's got going on. All right, let's go ahead and clarify this drama though. What happened? What's going on? Clarify drama. What's going on with the drama in regards to Libra, Gemini, Aquarius? One more, please, Spirit, for drama. Okay. One more for drama, please, Spirit. What's happening? Okay. A few of them came out. All right, what's happening? The first card that came out is abundance, number 26. Okay, so this is tied to you guys' abundance, your money, your finances, something that you have worked hard for. I'm saying work, labor, and efforts. I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody doing dark magic, possibly trying to create some sort of blockages, or possibly trying to get you up out of here for your money. Number 64 could be significant, and there's an energy of somebody waiting. Somebody is waiting and watching. Number 28 could be significant, y'all. What in the what? Let's go ahead and clarify this. Somebody does some sort of magic where they try to create blockages or possibly cause some sort of ending. They're trying to get to y'all money. That's what I'm saying. And you got people focused on your money. All right. Somebody could be dabbling in that dark art, some I'm about to say dark warlock, some sort of dark magic. Clarify abundance. What's going on with abundance, please, Spirit? Abundance. One more for abundance. What's going on with abundance, please, Spirit, for the air signs? Ooh. It looks like there may have possibly even been there may have been some sort of marriage where somebody was betrayed, backstabbed, or something like that, or spoken negatively about. There was a part where might possibly been bitchy about, but I'm definitely seeing there's an energy of betrayal, backstab, and I'm seeing something coming to a completion or a close where somebody possibly have been written out of some sort of abundance or some sort of inheritance or something like that. I feel like somebody wants a new beginning or was looking at you possibly as a new beginning in finances or something like that. Or as a come up or something like that. I feel like there's an energy of somebody watching. There's an energy of someone being curious. Okay. Somebody spying is what I'm saying here. This could be like a mother figure or something like that. It's coming out as an empress energy, a feminine energy could be significant. Clarify this work, labor, and effort. Wait a minute. Work, labor, and efforts, please, Spirit. What's going on with this work, labor, and efforts? Okay, clarify this work, labor, and efforts. I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody moving. Number 38 could be significant, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of movement, moving, or possibly waiting for some sort of ships to come in for yourself. Okay. Whoever you are, with clarifying this work, labor, and efforts, I don't know, maybe you could possibly have Earth in your chart somewhere, Sun, Moon, rising, or Venus as well. Okay, somewhere in your chart. Clarify this work, labor, and efforts. I'm seeing an energy of someone self-sabotaging. Okay, so this could even be someone that you possibly work with, okay, that may possibly have Earth in their chart, Capricorn towards Virgo, with this Queen of Pentacles. There's an energy of self-sabotage. Either you self-sabotage a connection with them or they self-sabotage a connection with you with this Five of Swords. There's an energy of yeah, there's an energy of sacrifice or self-sabotage or something like that. And an energy of somebody thought that they was going to get away with something that they have done. I'm seeing there was an energy of juggling here. I don't know if there's the juggling of energy, juggling of money, juggling of time. That's what I'm seeing here. There's definitely some sort of juggling. I'm also seeing that there's an energy of emotional imbalance that was involved. Someone experiencing some sort of emotional imbalance. Someone possibly could be dealing with somebody could possibly have bipolar disorder. Clarifying is death magic for the air signs. Clarify death magic. What's going on with this death magic? Clarify death magic for the air signs. We have the Most High here. Now, clarifying this death magic, I'm seeing that there's a water sign here, King of Cups. Strong Pisces energy, okay? Or it could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Water is definitely significant. I'm seeing an energy of clarifying this death magic. It's the Temperance Angel. There's an energy of patience, someone having patience, someone doing something with patience or something like that, or in regards to patience. All right. This could also be something to do with the connection that you have or a relationship with this Hierophant. It talks about a traditional setting, possibly someone being married. Somebody possibly could have did magic on someone that they were married to, or someone outside of your marriage did magic on someone that you were married to, or something like that, to cause some sort of ending, cause some sort of blockage, or to get somebody out of here. I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody withdrawing some sort of energy, or to have you walk away, or somebody walk away, withdrawing their energy, or something like that. That's what I'm saying. To have somebody walk away and like take back their energy or no longer want to be with you or something like that. That's what I'm seeing here. And it's like an energy of somebody waiting for it to come true or waiting for something to happen. Look, expectation in family or marriage or connection. Somebody waiting. What's going on with expectation? Yeah, especially when it comes to a connection that you are like whoever you're collaborating with, living with, working with. I'm seeing energy of somebody moving on or moving away. It's what I'm seeing here and leaving someone in the Nine of Swords, the energy of regret, remorse. There's energy of anxiety. There's energy of unhappiness, depression, experiencing some sort of loss, some sort of a grief unexpectedly. It could be someone that you have children with. This could be someone that you know from the past. This could even be your ex or something like that. They're trying to destroy your happiness. Oh, anything else? Yeah, I'm seeing it. Yeah, somebody is waiting for something to happen successfully. They'll receive some sort of victory. Especially when it comes to this, is what I'm seeing here. Anything else in regards to this expectation? Yeah, yeah. This energy is definitely someone that's very toxic. Okay, very manipulative. This is an energy of someone that wants to keep someone binded. They could possibly be a cheater or something like that. Very toxic energy. And I'm seeing an energy of you having to learn some sort of lesson. There's an energy of you guys coming out as the wounded warrior and having to learn some sort of lesson or have to stand your ground or protect yourself in some form or fashion. Okay. And I'm seeing energy you may be experiencing some sort of drama or issues, but I'm seeing it making you stronger and you picking yourself up and you still moving on or doing whatever you need to do regardless. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing a Queen of Wands out here as well. You know, the Queen of Wands also is like a witch. Okay, well, this could be someone that is simply a Leo or someone that had fire in their chart, but nine times out of ten, the Queen of Wands come out as some sort of witch energy, and there's the energy of somebody doing something slow with the Knight of Pentacles, slow and steady, or possibly over time, secretly. Okay, possibly even causing some sort of illusion. So whoever this person is could be someone that had someone do it for them or something like that, or they could possibly been doing something themselves. Anything else? Yep. And it's in regards to possibly a Queen of Swords. All right, Aquarius could be significant. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. I'm seeing things working out in your favor. I'm seeing karmic justice is definitely at play. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of things balancing out in your favor, and I'm seeing an energy where you're able to move forward, make a choice, a decision, what you're going to do moving forward, and this coming to an end. There's an energy of severance of some sort of ties with whoever this person is, and you moving forward, and you making a choice of what you're going to do next, what you're going to do next, because I'm seeing something coming to an end. Is it something coming to an end for a new beginning or rebirth? Is what I'm seeing here, especially when it comes to as an ending to a partnership or connection you have. The Ace of Swords providing clarity, and it's for your happiness. I'm seeing the Sun is also an energy of something being illuminated, something being revealed, or providing some sort of confirmation to someone that is a high priestess, someone that already have psychic abilities, or aware of something and possibly needs some sort of confirmation. Whoever you are, you could have got a tarot reading, or you could possibly be a tarot reader. That's what I'm seeing here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love these